Hi kids, it's Miss Leon here again, and we're going to start our next lesson, 3-6, where we use partial products to multiply one digit by one digit numbers. And again, this is just a repeat of what we have been learning. We're going to be using place value, as always, and partial products to help multiply. So again, this is something that we've already been working on again and again. Remember, partial products, it just means a part of the whole actual product. And we're going to be using this place value. Always, always, always with the place value. So let's go ahead and dig in. Last time we learned, we used a couple different strategies to help us multiply. Remember, we used the area or the array strategy, where we had the area or array model. We had the base 10 blocks, where we drew out the base 10 blocks to help us multiply. And we also used what I like to call baby algorithm, where we take these baby steps up to the regular algorithm method that your parents or I may have learned when we were younger. So now we're just going to practice this yet again with different numbers. Okay, the problem that we're going to be working on is 33 times 6. So notice I color coded these so we could see the different place values. So the first problem we're going to do is we're going to distribute the 6 in the ones place to the 3 in the ones place. So I'm going to write down 6 times 3. And 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to go ahead and write down 18 right here. The next thing I'm going to need to do is distribute the 6 to the 3 in the tens place. So that's saying 6 times 30. So 6 times 30, 6 times 3 is 18, plus a 0 is 180. So a 1 in the hundreds place, an 8 in the tens, and a 0 in the ones. After I have done that, I need to make sure that I go ahead and I add these partial products together. When I add together these partial products, I get 198 as the end product. So now we're going to try doing this math again with our partial products and baby algorithm. And then we're also going to add on to the fact where we're going to estimate to see if our answer is reasonable. So when we go ahead and do this, I'm going to do the actual problem and then a estimated answer. So the actual problem we're going to solve now, we need to distribute the 6 to each place value. So this is 6 times 8, 6 times 8, which is 48. 6 times 0 is 0. And then 6 times 1 in the hundreds place, 1 in the hundreds place is 100. So that's 6 times 100 is 600. All three of these amounts, 48, 0, and 600, are our partial products. I need to add those together, and I get 648 as the product. Okay, with 648 as my product, how do I know if that answer is right, or if it's even close to right, or if it's reasonable? What we're going to do is we're going to take this this problem, and we're going to estimate it. So I'm going to take 108 and multiply it by 6, like we've done previously. So I need to find the place. This is the highest place value right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find the place, which is the hundreds place, and look next door at this place right here. Is this 5 or greater? That's 0. No, it's not greater. 5 or greater, add one more. Nope, I'm not adding one more. So the number in the front stays the same. So that's the 1. And the numbers in the back, 0 is your name. So I have 1, 2, 2 numbers in the back. So that would be 100, and then that would be times 6. So 100 times 6 is 600. That is my estimated answer. All right, so I'm taking my actual answer, which is 648. That's what I found. And then my estimate, which is 600. And is that reasonable? Is that close to each other? If I had to actually round this would actually round to 600. So is 648 close to 600? Yeah, it is close. So 648, the product that I got, is reasonable. It is reasonable to think that could be the answer. We were on the right track. So this is what we're going to be practicing when we're doing our multiplication. We're going to find our product, and then we're going to double check our work by finding an estimate on our work. And if our estimate is close to our actual answer, then we know that our answer is reasonable. We are on the right track. So with that being said, again, you can use baby algorithm or you can use area or array model. It doesn't much matter. Whatever strategy you are going to use to help you solve your answers accurately, that you can understand and that you are making sure that you pay attention to the place value. Then we are double checking our work by estimating our products. If our estimate is close to the product or the actual answer to the multiplication problem that we got, then we are on the right track.